Welcome back to my channel. This is Gautam Pothireddy and let's start another episode how to build your wardrobe with Gautam. Today we're going to see all about ethnic wear. I'm going to show you guys few picks you can rock in this Sankranti. So let's get started without any further delay. I usually categorize these ethnic wear kurtas into three variants, basically based on the occasions that we wear and also the price ranges that they fall in. So the first one is regular wear kurtas. So these are casual wear kurtas, like you can wear it to small parties and whenever you go to a temple or whenever you go to a market. These are not very expensive and they look stunning on you. The first kurta that I have with me is light blue kurta. It looks very simple yet very elegant. These kind of simple kurtas are perfect for small parties. You can wear it for small pujas or whenever you're going to some other's wedding or any other party, right? This outfit is perfect for your Sankranti. Choose a day, Bogi or Sankranti, and try these kind of outfits. It will give you a different look and altogether stunningly awesome. So we can rock it with a white color cotton pant. Usual kurta pant is fine. And the second outfit that I have with me is a golden color kurta. This also falls under our first category, like regular wear and small parties kind of kurta. These kurtas are especially for night events. Try to wear these kind of golden color kurtas when you have night parties, when there's a lot of light that's available for you. The dark red color pattern that you can see on this kurta made it stand out and I really loved the pattern. It perfectly fine with the fit as well as the material, so I loved it, guys. This kurta is not costly. Actually, I got it around 900 to 920 rupees. So now let's go to the second category, party wear kurtas. These are a bit more stylish, a bit more glittery and bit more elegant than usual casual wear kurtas. These are perfect for occasions like marriages, housewarming sessions or something like that where you are the host. The pant I'm wearing with it is a ready-made dhoti. I got this as a pair, but you can also find these individually. These kind of outfits make you stand out anywhere in any occasion. So do try these kind of outfits for sure. And now let's quickly go to the third variant. This is formal wear. Just like western suits and coats, we will look stunning in these formal wear kurtas. I usually prefer to wear these kurtas for official occasions or whenever I'm going to give a presentation. I just wanted to stand out from the crowd. So I keep on trying these kind of different outfits. Yeah, I suggest you guys the same. Actually guys, I love these formal kurtas. Why? Because they are not as costly as suits and low maintenance as well. When compared to suits and blazers, these are not much of a maintenance and I really love this because they make us look stunningly awesome. If you never tried these kurtas, it's time for you to give it a try and check out the links to these outfits in my description. So guys, if you haven't subscribed till now to this channel, we talk all about men's fashion, fitness, lifestyle and health. Do subscribe to this channel for awesome content. If you have any doubts, do DM me on my Instagram. It's @Pothireddy Gautam. Please share it with your friends and thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you so much.